my goodness. Who are you? Who are you? Hi. Oh, I like it. Miss Karen, she's so pretty.
That's Taylor.
Tyler, I love
Taylor.
I love the color.
Yeah, she's actually a calico with a haircut, of course.
Oh
So
yes.
there's a Duluth calico.
I like her.
Yeah, you like the dark.
I know. They're all beautiful, but I have the light colors, you know?
Right.
And look how precious she is. I love her. Too bad she's not having babies.
Yeah, she will have. It's just,
Miss Karen, I didn't even see those guys.
yeah, there's 3 in each cage.
Hi. Oh, look at the gray one. This is blue. What color is this, Miss Karen?
Yeah, she's blue. She's a blue tabby. Oh, there's the blue tabby and the blue tabby right there.
Oh.
One of them's blue and white, the other is blue.
Hi, let's see you.
There's striped.
That is long hair, right?
No, none of those. There's one in the other cage with long hair, and that's the red and white one.
Oh, this is short hair?
Yeah, there's.
Oh, that's so precious. I never saw this before.
I never get blue tabbies either. I never have.
I'm
This is the classic tabby.
Oh, really?
She's really nice.
Oh,
She's
hi.
really, isn't she cute?
Oh, I don't remember last time we had that.